Most people get hotel credit cards wrong by thinking they are only for frequent travelers. But the Wells Fargo Choice Privileges Select MasterCard offers solid rewards and perks even if you don't travel constantly. Today, I'm giving you an honest review before you apply. The card earns 8 points per dollar at Choice Hotels, 5 points on gas and grocery purchases, and 1 point on all other purchases. The surprising truth is how quickly points can accumulate. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of Choice Privileges points, which can be redeemed for free hotel nights, gift cards, or travel experiences. Annual fee is low compared to other hotel cards, and the card comes with perks like no foreign transaction fees, purchase protection, and travel accident insurance. Online and mobile banking make managing points and payments easy, and you can track upcoming redemptions seamlessly. Eligibility requires a good credit score, and approval is usually fast. Some limitations include point caps on certain promotions and fewer redemption options compared to major hotel chains. But if you frequently stay at Choice Hotels, this card is a solid choice. In conclusion, the Wells Fargo Choice Privileges Select MasterCard is perfect for anyone who wants to earn hotel rewards on everyday spending, enjoy low fees, and access travel protections. Its combination of rewards and perks makes it a competitive hotel card for U.S. users. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews so you can make an informed decision before applying.